Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naya, known as Modest Guru, and today I am filming my summer go-to bronze makeup look. So I want to show you all how I achieve this beautiful bronze look for this summertime. My eyebrows are done, so we can actually talk a little bit about this summer and my goal as far as a makeup artist and a makeup content creator is to bring, I feel like my signature style is a very simplistic way to utilize makeup. My makeup looks come out very flawless. So for this summer, we're going to be outside, rooftops, restaurants, networking, traveling, all the above, right? So I want to create a bronze glowy, give me that extra to my skin, that healthy glow that I've been looking for all year. That's been MIA. So to start with my foundation, and I will have all of these products linked below along with the price and where to purchase them. This is the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation. I'm in the shade 17N, perfect match. And I really like this foundation for the summertime because of the healthy glow that it gives you. So using my MAC 170 brush, I am going to apply this all over my skin. And I've already prepped my skin. I have on here the Lancome UV Expert SPF protection. So this is definitely one of my favorites as far as, and I love the travel size. As you can see, this foundation, that was just one pump. So I don't want to use any more than that because as you can see, it gives me a very healthy glow to my skin that we love. Oh my gosh. So this is how it turns out. Get a close-up look all into my pores so you can really see how this gives off a healthy glow. And I reviewed this foundation before. It's still one of my love go-to foundations, especially for the spring and summertime. Moving on to concealer, I do have a current favorite. This is the Tower 28 Serum concealer, and this is in the shade, let me tell you, this is in the shade OC. So picked this up from Sephora and I just haven't looked back since. Okay. While I have my concealer on, I love how both products are very hydrating. So I do like to kind of go in and start stapling on my contour. And I've always been in love with the Fenty Beauty cream. This is Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Cream Contour. And this is in the shade Teddy. It's very close to my skin complexion. This one, I have Macchiato and then Teddy. So Teddy for me is more of my bronze summer shade, and then Macchiato is for my everyday contour shade. That's only about one shade up from my skin complexion. And I like that because I already have higher cheekbones and I have more structured jawline as well. So just sometimes when you're adding on my day-to-day, I want a softer contour, not very pronounced in any way, but just to add that depth and a little bit of shadow to my skin complexion, I will go in with Macchiato. Now Teddy is my summer go-to. Add a little bit more. Sometimes I layer my concealer, especially when it's a hydrating concealer. If I want more of a brightened look, I will go back and add more, just depending on how much coverage I get the first time. You see how like nice that blends in? And then I kind of like to do like swipe across for my jawline, or you can go up for a more lifted jawline. I feel like I'm already starting to look bronzed, so let me hurry up and set before my under eyes. I'm gonna set with the One Size Petric Star. So probably about that much on the puff here. Into the creases of that nose. Especially if that's like a problem area for you. Now that I've set, I don't want to set my powder actually, because I'm going to go over that with bronzer. And for my bronzer, I'm using the Icon London, the shade Kissed by the Sun. Touching the pan, basically. But it is touching the pan because honestly, it's just that good. Like, let me show you all this glow. Like, do you see that? You gotta see it. Up into the temples, high. The chin. Everything must glow, honestly. I would love to know, what are you all doing for the summertime? I feel like this summer, I'm just now getting back to traveling. So it's just important for me to like plan ahead, kind of schedule things out. Even with my children and family, my son loves the water at the beach. So we have quite a few different beaches surrounding us. So my plans for the summer is to definitely keep us around some water. And then I really want to get back into my swimming classes. Like, I've been focused. I only have 2 classes left in my grad school studies, which has been a struggle. Going to school as an adult. We need to talk about it because, baby, when life is really lifing, it's when you have to depend on God to get you through those times. And it is very testing in moments of like wanting to elevate yourself, whether it's knowledge, learning something new, having a busy career, having a busy life. It is almost very trying. But on the flip side of it, you really get to see how good God is and how amazing people in your life also show up for you during those times, and stress, when your stress is like at an all-time high. So I'm just so appreciative that I got through my last quarter. I am currently in my second to last class, and then I will revisit everything as I like go through the process this summer. As I go through the process this summer and fall, I will keep you guys posted and updated on my journey, because it is one to be talked about. I think for, I don't know, should I do the more of like a mauve color? I think so. This is actually the e.l.f. Camo Blush, and this is in the shade Suave Mauve. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand just because I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. This is a high pigmented blush, so I don't want too much. I just want like a hint of color. So you see, it's still so soft, but it's there. Oh, love, love, love. And I love that my freckles are still showing through, you know? So I'm just gonna dust the rest off on my brush and kind of apply it over my bronzer to give myself like a more of a rosy bronze look. I'm gonna take this shade right here and apply it to my lid. Just show you what it looks like. So we're just gonna dust that all over. One eyeshadow color, one. And then I'm gonna bring that out to elongate the eyes. And same on this side. Just like that. Then using the bronzer again, I want to apply it to my lid. And this gives you a super glow to the lid. You see that? Oh, it's just like, I'm waiting for the sunsets. Vacation. I'm like addicted to body oils, body shimmer. Just drench me in glitter at this point. Okay, this is the exciting part. I actually got a PR package I want to show you all. So look at that. Oh my gosh. And this is the Feline collection by House of Lashes. Thank you so much for sending this to me. We're gonna go with Purr by House of Lashes. Oh my god. They sent me quite a few different styles and I'm just so grateful. Thank you so much, House of Lashes, for sending me the PR package. I've always been in love with their lashes since I first started seeing them in Target, and I was like, wow, look at how natural these lashes look. I'm gonna apply my lip combo. I'm using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This is in the shade Limitless Brown. So just a little bit to the outer corners only. So I don't want to feel like the whole thing in. I've been loving the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip product. This is their lip velvet in the shade Hollywood. I love the formula. Like, it is so soft and it looks so good on your lips. Top it off. I'm gonna top my lip off using NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie. Look at how stinking cute. Gotta do my bottom mascara, and for mascara I'm using the Fenty Hella Thick mascara. Who is she? What's T? You all, this is it for today's makeup look. Thank you again so much, House of Lashes, for sending me the latest Feline lash collection. I'm forever grateful. But you all, I hope that you enjoyed this bronze look. Definitely let me know if you recreate it or if you picked up these products from Sephora and your local Ulta Beauty as well. So thank you all so much. And until next time, stay tuned.